This is the annoying tree. We're gonna have to trim this tree.
To knock the tree out because, but you said if we can.
You see the tree is pulling this wire. I decided to take off. That was all the way up there.
Kenzo.
Clear, really different backyard. Now look at the heat. Or cable wires that y'all don't use, just hanging on the house, you just ripping the house apart. It's totally unnecessary. No extra wires on the house, cutting them off and throwing them in the trash.
I appreciate you.
Thank
I didn't
you.
expect you to come today, but.
Right. Yeah, this is a blessing right now. You feel like it's way, way open.
Yeah, I just took a picture of it and back down so big.
Yeah, just like that. Mosquito free. See all that space? See all that debris?